Good morning, Year 8. So this is lesson 4 of week 3. So it is a reflection lesson. So exactly like we do in class with the green reflection sheets, we are going to make our own. We're going to find out what our weaknesses are, and then we're going to do some targets. So first of all, you need to have completed the online test that was set yesterday. If you haven't done that, you need to do that now to be able to complete this lesson. Can you write a title for this, which is Reflection Lesson, End of Topic, Health and Lifestyle? Don't forget, keep your work neat and date your work. This needs to be done on paper or on a Word document. The point of today's lesson is obviously to fill any knowledge gaps. So you need to go through the YouTube lessons if you haven't done already. Make sure you finish all of the lessons, watched all the experiments as well, and complete all the work on Doodle. Fill in any gaps that you are now missing, and you should have now completed 8 science lessons plus 2 revision lessons this week and an online test yesterday, or depending on your timetable. So all in all, that brings us to week 3, 12 lessons in total, one of them being a test. So just double check that you have done this, because we will not be going over this work again. We will be moving on to the next topic, and we need to know that you have this information in your memory banks ready for your GCSEs starting in year 9 and 10. So exactly like we do in class, you need to rag this orange sheet. There is one here for the X bands, and then on the next page is one for the grammar stream. So you need to copy out the information here, and then I want you to rag it as to whether you are happy, sad, ticks or crosses, exactly like we do in lessons. So this is your green reflection sheet that we do in class. Obviously we haven't got green reflection sheets to give you. However, I want you to make your own in your book. So we need a strength, an improvement and a target based on the test you did yesterday. If you want to extend yourself, obviously do 2 strengths and 2 targets. What did you get in your test? Your minimum expected grade is always going to be a 4 and above. So think about what you want to get in your GCSE. So if you're aiming for a 7, put down that you are a minimum expected grade of 7. How do you feel you've done in your test? Do you think you could have done more? So in your books, I want you to make your own reflection sheet and fill it in. Okay, so to finish off this topic completely, you are going to pick for yourself 3 targets, a minimum of 3 targets. Obviously, if you want to do more, you can. There are 11 targets in all for you to choose from. Some are harder than others. So over the next few slides, have a look through them, have a read through them, and then decide which targets that you want to complete in your books or on Word today. You need to do at least 3, and then you can mark your own work from your own notes. So try and do the targets without looking at your books first of all, because obviously we are trying to fill in any gaps in knowledge. So try and complete the work first of all, and then use your books, your notes, your Word, the videos to go back over and check whether you got it right. Well done, everyone. That means you have now completed our reflection lesson for the day. Well done to you. If you have achieved your target, you are welcome to make your own little target achieved stamp. We have now finished our health and lifestyle topic, and we will be starting a new topic next week. So we are looking at ecosystem processes, so things like photosynthesis, respiration, how plants make food, how that food is then used by us in our diets, in our food chains, in our food webs. Lots of interesting experiments for you to look at as well. So as from next week, brand new topic. So well done for completing this topic. Chill out, have a lovely weekend, finish those Easter eggs, and we will see you and speak to you next week. Maybe we won't see you. We'd like to see you. Speak to you next week. Thanks, Year 8. Well done. Bye.